Hi everybody, I'm Susan from lvandmore and I have an unboxing today. Canada isn't getting any warmer. It's pretty brutal, icy roads today, and the wind chill is pretty chilly. So I have an unboxing, so let's go ahead and get started. Got my blade. Came in a box like this. Pretty good size. Alright, let's see what Elena has sent me today. Alright, let's see here. Alright, that's one side. Okay. I'm in. Let's see what she sent me. This is Elena from Edmonton, LV. Okay, got bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, that comes in handy. Alright, she gave me a bag, and then the rest is just bubble wrap. Okay. Okay, just bubble wrap and the box. Okay, here's the shopping bag, and let me see what she... Okay, she sent me an empty box. Remember, I didn't have the 2 boxes, so she went ahead and replaced them for me, which was really nice. So that's the first one. I had my perfume and my agenda. Okay, so that's that empty box. Another empty box. Okay, so that's it for the bag. All right, and this is empty box. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, okay, that was nice. She sent me an extra dust bag, so that always comes in handy. All right, and then she gave me an extra tag with the little pigs on there. Isn't that cool? Okay, thank you. Those were the empty boxes that I didn't get from before, basically. All right. And then this is the regular box, and with the little pigs, and then with the ribbon. Yeah. Alright, and this is my receipt. There you go. Oh, what else did she send me? She sent me a card. So this is kind of cool. Okay, that was nice. Oh wow, she sent me a pig card. She sent me 2. Okay, well that was super nice of her. Okay. I got a card and I got 2 pig cards. Celebrate the year of the pig, and then it gives you all the information about it. So I'll read that later. That's pretty nice of her. Yeah, this card is really cool. This is like their necklaces. That's really nice. Okay, that's what it looks like. Alright, and then here's what I did order. Comes in a draw box. Well, she gave me a couple of perfume samples too. Wow, she went all out. That was really nice. Yeah, I really miss her. She got promoted to marketing manager, and so she was able to help me, but I can't keep asking her to help me when nobody else will. So hopefully I can get that worked out, but it's been really frustrating. I don't know if anybody else has had the same issue, but every time I want to order something or want to ask a question or, you know, anything, and I email or I call the store and nobody returns my emails, they don't return my calls, so it's very frustrating. Alright, so that's a dust bag. Goes like that. And this is my red tag. I didn't have anything hot stamped on it. I'm waiting to see if they have any new stamps, and if they do, then I may or may not get this hot stamped. But this is the red one. Alright, so that's all I have for today. I hope everybody's staying warm and safe. It's been a real blizzard, and later on tonight we're supposed to get more, so hopefully it won't be too bad, but when we were driving today it was pretty icy. So I hope everybody's having a great Monday, and like and subscribe. I do appreciate that. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're returning, I do appreciate your support. So thanks for watching LVM More, and hope everybody's having a great day. Bye, guys.